everyone. Welcome to DIY House. We're here again to create innovative and creative homes together. The car is my gift for her. First, I'll use a sturdy board to create the frame. I need a lot of colored paper to cover it. The wheel frame is essential. Wheels with bows attached. I need a seat for the driver. And the control panel, I have it ready.
That's good.
Install the windshield and wipers. Can't forget the bow. Golden nose, sparkling eyes, and those charming whiskers. Now we need flashing lights, using glue cap covers to make the blinkers. Let's try operating it.
Wow! Nice! Prepare the equipment to receive the patient. Okay.
A medicine cabinet inside the Hello Kitty themed car. I think she'll like this medicine cabinet. I think a first aid kit is essential. Let's use red clay for it. Take some cotton from the cotton swab. medical supplies are ready. I'll make a few medicine bottles.
Good.
Still missing compartments in the cabinet. I'll make a thermometer and some pills. Seems like it's enough a small medicine cabinet within the larger cabinet. Some medical documents as well. A table for the doctor to attend to patients. I'll make it from a sturdy board. Blue clay. I'm making a swivel chair. Just need the swivel base now.
Wow.
A laptop for Hello Kitty. I like MacBooks. They look really nice.
Nice.
The doctor needs a stethoscope. I think orange-yellow would be the most beautiful color for it. Ta-da! It's done! A truly beautiful vase of flowers. The X-ray display screen. I find it quite frightening looking at it.
Nice.
The scale is essential for the medical vehicle.
Everyone, I'm Hello Kitty.
This stretcher will make it easier to move the patient.
Oh, there's a patient, and it seems she's pregnant.
I feel abdominal pain. Am I about to give birth?
You come in here and let me check, okay? Oh, the baby is kicking so strongly. It seems to be a healthy baby. I'll prepare the bed for you.
Okay. Roll the clay. Wrap it around the outside of the sturdy board. Now, let's make the bed legs and the moving wheels. A mint green bedspread and a pillow.
Emergency case. She's about to give birth. Hang in there. Congratulations. The baby is adorable.
Thank you so much, doctor.
The heart rate monitor is almost complete. small but quite well equipped. What do you think about this Hello Kitty medical car? Let me know in the comments. If you have any ideas, please comment below the video. Thank you for watching. I love you all.